Good day, everyone. For today's sharing, I'm going to share the website Values Card exercises created by Think to Perform as a tool that can help both the teacher and the student. So, to use the website, the student will click on to start the exercise to begin. Then they will sort a deck of cards with written values on it and choose yes or no to the question if the values fit them. After, they will click on to the next step where they will narrow down the values that they chose yes to into 15 values. Then, they will narrow it down again into 10. And then last, they will narrow it down into 5 to complete the exercise. After this, the results will serve as a guide for the teacher in what values should be strengthened in the students. This website is a new tool since this completely focuses on what values the student chose based on how close or related they are on its corresponding behavior. In values education, imposing of values is not a supported way of having the students develop their principles in life. That's why the students will have complete freedom in utilizing the website on their own due to its accessibility and practicality in selecting values that are doable and essential to them. These values may be the ones they learned at home or developed from a situation. In conclusion, the values card exercise by Think to Perform is a simple yet powerful tool that empowers students to reflect on what truly matters to them. By allowing them to independently identify and prioritize their personal values, as well as beneficial to teachers so they can better understand and support their growth without imposing beliefs. That's all for the video. Thank you for listening.